Okay, so go through.
Okay, let's start our sprint retro. So the whole Scrum team will f- consolidate on what we did for this sprint, and then by answering these four questions, what should we start doing? What should we stop? What should we continue? And what actions can be taken for next sprint? So, and also identify the root cause of any key issues based on the Jira board, and suggest any improvements for the next sprint. So I guess we can take around 5 minutes to fill in like this board, what we think, and we can go through as a team after that. Yeah.
think we're done. Are you done already? I think we're done.
Just go through everything.
Okay, so I think we identified several key improvements and continuation. Mm. Start enforcing commit linters for better message consistency. Luan Jie also suggested pair programming. So maybe we can try that for our next sprint, but this is our last sprint. So um what should we stop doing? I guess we have a lot of useless file as suggested by Nicholas. A lot of technical debt. What should we continue doing? Continue to develop tests and debugging, improving CI/CD pipeline, etc. What to say? Yeah. So I guess overall is like key improvements is like communication, like um be more aligned on what we have to develop and more detailed check-in with our client regarding our expectation. Because I think in the middle of sprint, sometimes we don't know, we forget about certain features that needs to be developed from the client expectation. And uh what's KT sessions? Who wrote?
Like
Knowledge transfer, like
I
knowledge transfer for the features. Like when you complete a feature, like you need to tell someone else who what's the feature, how was it accomplished, so that we are able to figure out how the feature was implemented.
Okay. Can. So yeah, I guess well done for this sprint. I think all of us collaborated well and improved from the first two sprints. Yeah. I think moving forward, we should just have more communication and know what we are doing, know what each other is doing, and better CI/CD flow, and maybe include some pair programming. Yeah, and then like refactor our code to make it more clean. Okay, anything else to add on from the developers?
Yes, I think pair programming would be a good idea. Yeah, I think I want to pair programming with like Curtis and Minghan, to learn more from them. Some knowledge transfer will be good. Yeah, other than that, I think the retro was good.
I just want to second the housekeeping of like legacy modules lah. Because firstly, I spent like 4 hours debugging, and I realized that I integrated my feature with the wrong task module. But I think something easy to do, because I think we did go through one major refactoring exercise last sprint when we migrated to the ORM model. Uh, I think easy quality of life fixes can be just to indicate at the start of the file whether this file has become depreciated or out of use.
Yeah, I second that.
I third your second.
Actually, regarding that, we can probably change the commit message, like maybe put breaking or something, so that people know that this is the breaking commit also. Because I realized that some of our commit messages are also not following the standard, which is why I also try to enforce the commit linters.
So yeah, I think then maybe our next development effort we spend some time working on the improving the CI first lah.
Yeah.
Right. Very good.
Okay. Okay. Good sprint retro and review, guys. I think that's about it. Yay.
Okay. Give me